Sport News 999.
According to German paper Bild, the 72-year-old will return to the club he left in 2013 to replace the axed Carlo Ancelotti. The report suggests the 72-year-old has been coaxed out of retirement to take over from Willy Sagnol until the end of the season. Sagnol had been given the role until a long-term replacement could be found for Ancelotti. Bild go on to suggest that with Bayern drawing at Hertha Berlin at the weekend, club chiefs have become desperate to get a replacement. Borussia Dortmund's Thomas Tuchel was considered, as was Julian Nagelsmann from Hoffenheim. But the length of time to negotiate getting them into the club was taking too long. Ancelotti won the Bundesliga last season, but was sacked after a 3-0 Champions League defeat to Paris Saint-Germain. There were also reports that 5 players had turned on him, leading to his eventual departure. Senior stars are said to have been upset with the standards and apparent lazy approach to training sessions. The German champions are currently without a win in their last 3 matches and have dropped to second in the league behind Dortmund. Heynckes retired from the game after leading Bayern to the treble in his second spell at the club before being replaced by Pep Guardiola. The Manchester City boss held a secret lunch date with Bayern Munich to give his opinion on who they should appoint as their next manager. With the Premier League taking a week off for the international break to finish the qualifying stages of the World Cup, Guardiola had some time on his hands. So the Manchester City boss flew out to Munich, where he met Bayern president Jupp Heynckes in an exclusive Italian restaurant. Heynckes wanted to seek advice from Guardiola on the candidates for the job of taking over from Ancelotti after the club's faltering start to the season.